Hello, I'm Haley and I'm the Customer Success Specialist here with SimpleSet, and in this video I'm going to go over some power features or some maybe hidden features that you weren't sure about that were in SimpleSet that you might want to incorporate into your workflow. So first what we got is the parameter tags. Now I already have a couple set here, but I'll just show you how I did that. So, and I guess I can show you how to delete it too. So all you're going to do is put in, you're probably prescribing 3 sets of 10 quite often, so you're going to enter that and then save as preset. And maybe you do 3 sets of 30 seconds for a stretch, save as preset. So now they're up here. So what I'm going to do is I want to apply those to my strengthening exercises. So I'm going to select them and just click on this and boom, they're in there. And same with my stretching. Boom. Super easy. Super cool. Another thing we can do is we can name our exercise sets. So you can name it whatever you want, whatever makes most sense for you and your client. Oops. So this is handy for when you go to save or send. The title will already be in there. I can just show you. See, it'll already be right there, so you don't have to enter it again. It's also handy if you're working with multiple exercise programs, which I have a video on. So there you go, you can easily navigate between your 2 programs if you're working on multiple programs at the same time. So then within our program here, we got this little stack icon here. When we open it, we have an undo button, which will undo the last thing that you did. So I have 8 actions that I've done, so I can undo 8 different things. So if I go undo, my stretching parameters went away. If I do undo again, then my strengthening parameters aren't away. Or I change my mind, I want to get those back, redo, redo, and there you go. Another one that you can do is duplicate. So it'll do just that. It'll duplicate exactly the same thing into a new exercise set that you can, again, name. You get it. I don't have to name that. I'm just going to exit out of here. Okay, so what else we can do is if we go into our start or our favorite, we can actually move these exercises around. So if you'll see here, you can see this little arrow icon. If I grab that, I can drag and drop my exercises where I want them. And you can do that in your personal as well. So same thing, just hover over here, grab the arrow icon, and drag and drop where you'd like. There you go. So then another fun thing we can do is we can change the images within any exercise. So say I don't want, which one is it? I don't want this picture in the thumbnail, or I think I just want a different picture in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my favorites and find my favorite postural sitting, no, not that one. Let's do this one. So what I'm going to do is say I want this image as my thumbnail in the other one. So what I'm going to do is not grab the arrow, but grab the image, drag it over here, and you'll see this plus icon popped up. You want to drag it in there. And there you go. So then I can make this or any of these images the thumbnail. So I'm going to make this the thumbnail. So I'm going to put it into the kind of number 1 spot here. So I'm going to drag and drop that. And then I'm going to go up here and you can see that's the image that I want. And I'm going to change image. And there you go. You got basically a brand new exercise. Now keep in mind this is not going to save into your personal. But what you can do is drag this, drop it into your personal, and there it is. And now you can prescribe that to other clients. Super cool. What else can we do? Oh, my favorite feature in here that people might not know about is actually this feedback button right here, right in the top right corner. So if you click on that, you can just let us know what you do or don't like about SimpleSet, and that way we can make it a little bit better for you and everyone that uses it. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.